Epo, Ebugu, Agragu, Ezuku, 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 Ezuku.
Sure, I will get this blessing of approval from you to come and pay you this homage and to let you know that we are also your children. We are here to carry out some very sensitive movements. So I won't want to discuss much, but I think there is one or two things I will keep before you. There is a saying that those who know the worth of kola nuts, they cover it with leaves. I am a freedom fighter. I don't like telling people I'm a politician. I choose to call myself a political rights activist. Because I tell people politics without gain, what is the essence? So if I join politics, it should be that I am joining politics for a reason. To develop my people, to develop myself, and of course, the society. And if such a thing is not happening, I have the right to resist that politics. And that is why I am called a political rights activist. I am one of the persons who actually was at the forefront, who fought to become the governor of Rivers State. But today, God has provided to us his own governor, who is Siminalayi. And initially, I was in doubt. I wasn't believing that he would be able to do something. So I stayed afar to watch his incident. But I was convinced that the man has come not to control us, but to lead us well. He has, he has shown competence in development, competence in human development.